Greetings, everyone. At this instance, I would just like to say, it is good to be here. As we have been taught, as so to speak, scripturally, be mindful how you entertain strangers, whereby some have entertained angels unaware. I refrain from speaking, I hope as a sample and as an example, so that those of you who are here and live here and are testifying, speaking all of the time, might give our visiting guests and visiting friends and strangers a chance to speak. For this cause, I at this time refrain from speaking further, only to make this announcement that we have visiting guests as aforesaid. We have with us Bishop Singer and Dr. State. Have some more ministers in our midst, professors and teachers and speakers from the different fields of expression. I want to give them a chance to speak. I feel quite sure Bishop Sims has something good to tell us in his own way. I thank you.
Father, Mother, peace everybody. I can use the word, I am thankful to be here with the greatest potency of meaning. They come from the depths of my heart. I am thankful to Father for the opportunity of assembling here, and I've begun to think, Father, that I have a place here permanent because I get this same seat every time I come. And I am happy to be here and to be a witness of the wonderful work that Father is doing throughout the world. It is my good pleasure and opportunity to travel a lot throughout our country. And everywhere I find the Spirit of Father Divine. I come back today to use the expression that is familiar to you, like an empty pitcher to a full fountain. I've come back to get inspiration from Father Divine. I've come back to get that love that emanates from Him from time to time throughout the length and breadth of the world. I've come back to have just a little fellowship with Him. It lifts my soul higher. It gives me more courage and a greater determination to carry on in the name of the Lord. I'm happy to be a witness that everywhere, as the song which you sung was expressing, everywhere the people are listening to hear what Father Divine has to say. I think it's a wonderful thing because we live in a world which is observant to many of us who think, a world that is a great crisis, the greatest crisis perhaps in the history of the world. This crisis is here because men and nations have refrained from doing the things commanded by Father Divine. I am happy to be a witness this morning to the fact that Father Divine has given wings to the gospel of unity. One unity and wholeness in the individual himself, the whole man. Okay. Where we are all under the Spirit of the Almighty, and where we can unite body, mind, and spirit for serving Him. And then unity in the nation, and then unity in the world. One world. You remember there was a great man, Wendell Willkie, who spoke of one world, who gave prominence by his emphasis to one world. But before that and since that, Father Divine has spoken in no undeniable terms of the need of unity in the world. After all, as we face this world, a world of frustration and a world of confusion and a mystified world, men seem not to know what to do. Father Divine has sent His Spirit out into the rest of the world to tell them the thing that they will have to face, that they must be united in spirit under God, or else there is no durability or security for any of our present civilizations. And I'm so glad that the world is coming gradually to a full realization of that. And I've come here today not to talk long. I am so happy that I can be here again, but the world is testifying to the fact that Father Divine's way is the only way. After we have exploited the H-bomb and the atom bomb, after we have used all of the things that science may aggregate for the destruction of the world and for the protection of certain nations, we have done all of that. There'll come something else out of the ingenuity of man for destruction that will be worse than any of these. And the only thing that can meet them, the only thing that can build a world to live in, will be the Spirit of Father Divine. And as soon as the world realizes that and will come to it, we'll have peace. You can't get peace any other way. The peace of the soul that comes from the Spirit of the Divine, that comes and makes man realize that God is his Father and man is his brother. And there's only one race in the world, and that's the human race, as far as I understand. And that we all can be the children of the Most High God. And I'm very happy to be here, Father Divine. I'm very happy to come into your presence and get this new inspiration. And I say to you, ride on, King Divine. Ride on. Oh, your Spirit is pervading the earth, and the prophecy shall be fulfilled. After a while, the whole earth will realize and partake of thy Spirit, and then, not until then, we have one nation indivisible, where there's liberty and justice and love and fair play for all. And we hope that day will be hastened by your Spirit, in order that the petitions of prejudice and the petitions of hate may be broken down, and we may have the kingdom of God come right here on earth among men. Father, I felicitate you, I teach you, ride on, being Father, until thy kingdom comes and becomes a reality in the world, and every man, in the utmost parts of the earth, they will take of thy Spirit, and heaven will be here in your name.